What's going on, Life RX? This is David. You guys know
Hi.
David also work on the channel. He's the brain of this organization. So I'm gonna use David as a model because David, he said he experienced some discomfort in his side, and like I said, all the time, most of the people, they sitting on one side more than other. Whatever you do, computers or desk job, you just get tired. After 2 hours, you get tired, and you want to find that comfortable position, and you lean. So that's mean the kinetic line is changed. Everything is pulled to one side and open another side. This is how our body work, and I'll show you this exercise how to reactivate those lines. It's a lot of bands exercise, but this is more safe way, and it's great for older folks and football, because football is amazing. So what we're doing here with football, David don't know, he's just first time doing that. What we're going to do, we're going to stay on that knee, and we're going to go hug that ball, lean forward, and step with your arm. So this is like tabletop position. Remember the tabletop, we're doing that. So go ahead and lean on it. Knee first, coming up, come down. This is safety, yeah. So your brain, and you just roll. Here we go. What he's doing now, he's trying to drop that knee down, so feel that support, right?
Yeah.
So what I want you to do now, get that elbow against that ball, and I want you to push. Yeah, so only one elbow away, and he's pushing against that ball. So he try to squeeze and break that ball.
Just one elbow.
Just one elbow, yes. So he's doing one elbow. He's pushing that one elbow in, squeeze and relax. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. You see, he's not breathing. I want him to breathe. So he's on inhale, you squeeze, and exhale, you relax. So inhale. So squeeze, 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 pull, 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 and relax. Okay, how's it feel? Do you feel what?
Good, yeah.
Okay, try to do the other arm. So he's doing
My core too.
of course. So he's working on that left. Inhale. You see how struggled he is? That's the weak one? Do you feel more weakness or what? Describe it.
They're both kind of weak.
They're both weak. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. Go ahead. Squeeze and relax. 4 or 5 should be fine. You can do 10 if you don't feel anything, or squeeze harder. Now, I want you to both arm down. Try to support them and push through that heel. So try to push that leg. Just one leg. So I try to, and I hold this one. Push, 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 squeeze, and we'll let it go. Squeeze again, squeeze, 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 squeeze. You see, I'm holding it so he's not raising that too much, and let it go. Push again. If you don't have a partner and no one can help you, that's absolutely fine if you raise a little bit up.
This one's weak.
This one is weak. Okay, we'll try the opposite one. So I keep it up here. You see, he's trying to shift the weights and everything. So you see, let it go. This week too, but watch. What he did, he started doing that, shifting that weight, and I can see it's hard for him to lift and push that knee that way. And let it go. Perfect. Now, the final one is going to be cross pattern. Remember, we need to activate this cross. So I want you to use this elbow and this leg. So he's doing cross. Squeeze between yourself. So he's squeezing. Push that like you try to squeeze that ball. Right there. You can also beat your right in here on the glutes. Get that muscle activation and feel that. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze that force. It's also great if you do band stretching away. What do you feel that one? You see how he's struggling?
It's hard.
Hard. Okay, start shifted. This one, this leg, and left. Right leg, left arm. Try to squeeze. Squeeze it. You see how, like, try to squeeze, squeeze.